Morning students, we are learn today here director's duties. Director duty can be under the two heads. One is the statutory duties and second ones are the general duties. Today we are learn here the statutory duties. There are the imposed by the act example of the statutory duty. Statutory duties it means there is a compulsory duty. To file return of allotments there is the first required, to act in accordance of article of the company, to disclose interest in or transactions, to attend board meeting, to appointed first auditors of the company. This is the one of the statutory duty. These duties are compulsory completed for all the directors. Another ones we are learn here legal position of a director. What the legal positions of a director? Legal position of director through the Company Act has not defined the position of director. Keeping in mind in vastness of their powers and extension responsibilities, an attempt is made to describe them as a agent, trustee, and managing partners. These expressions are indicative and not a complete the explanation and understanding of their power and work. This is the legal provisions of directors. This is the first ones are director as a agent. Since the company is an artificial person, it is a not natural person, it is an artificial person. It need to be represented by the directors. Who are represented by the directors? Directors should deal skillfully, carefully and diligently. They are dealing for skill carefully and diligently. Therefore, the director as a agent. Another one's director as a managing partners. Director represent the honors of the company. Director is the honors of the companies. That's shareholder to contents the managed business of the company on their behalf. They are entrusted with vast power of management and perform the several functions which are proprietary in nature, like allotment of shares, raising of loan, investing funds of the company, etc. This is the director as a managing partners. Another ones are director as a trustee. Directors are required to act in the most honest way. They are the guidance of interest of company and shareholders. They are the trustee of the asset of the company. Is the directors. The directors, the above given the triple roles. First ones are here the director is the agent, second one director is a managing partner and third ones are the director is a trustee. These roles are played by the directors highlight the depth and vastness of their involvement with company. What are the involvements of the company? The director are the directors employee of the company. Directors are elected representatives of the company shareholders and enjoy well-defined rights and functions. Who are the appointed of directors? The members of the joint stock company shareholders. Next, where is the status of the employee? Director is an employee as within the limits of his contract of service and his employer hold the ultimate control to guide his activities and functions. Next, another ones we are learn here remuneration of directors. Remuneration of directors under section 197. The managerial personnel of the companies, the directors, managing directors, etc., hold the managing position and this entitle them to get the managerial remuneration. It may be in the form of monthly payment like salary, specified percentage of net profit, or commission, and setting fees for attending board meetings or committee meetings. That the remunerations are here. Should not exceed 11% of net profit in the financial year. This excludes setting the fees paid or be paid for meetings. It's the remunerations of the board of directors. We are learn here the directors duties. We are learn that's legal positions of the directors. We are learn legal position of directors. They are divided into three parts: director as a agent, director as a managing partners, and director as a trustee. Are the directors are employees of the companies? That one we are also learn. And that's one remuneration of directors. Remuneration of directors monthly payment like salary, specified percentage of net profit, or commissions, and setting fees for attend for board meeting for the committee meetings. And debts are also should not exceed 11% of net profit in the financial year. That's the remuneration of directors. We are next one, setting fees. It means the director is given the fees to attend board or committee meeting, which may be up to the rupees 1 lakh rupees. That is the setting fees. That's once we are learned today here. Now assignment question, write down the legal position of directors. Thank you students.